You can't watch football without some hot wings, can you? So I'm going to share a recipe with y'all. It's air fryer hot wings. And I love the combination that we're going to eventually be putting them in because they remind me of almost a little Asian flair to them. And so to get us started, now I used just like the whole wing from the grocery store, and I just got through cutting off their tips and cutting them in half. So we got the drumstick and we got the flapper part. And I love this flapper part. That's my favorite. All right. So to get us started, I need like 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You know, I'm going to measure this just for giggles. I just want to make sure that I do have 2 tablespoons in here. Perfect. What an eye, Teresa.
You did good on that one.
You did good. Okie doke. And I'm going to need 2 tablespoons of honey. Now, I may use a little bit more honey because I just do kind of like them with that sweet. And see, by spraying that, every bit of that honey just rolls right out of there. This is the best honey in the world. Yum. All right, and I'm going to need about 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So I'm going to kind of do it like that. Now I'm just cooking a dozen wings right now because I just want to show y'all, show and share this recipe with y'all. In case you want to make them. So I've got that mixed up real good together, and I'm going to just put that to the side. All right, so in this bowl, I'm going to add a tablespoon of salt, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of baking powder.
What is the baking powder going to do in that?
It's going to kind of act as flour.
Okay.
Like,
so it'll give it like it's crispy.
Yeah, it will help do that.
Well, that's a new one for me.
You know, when you're frying things, cornstarch. Sometimes I'll do like half cornstarch, half flour. And it sure does make it good. All right. And we are going to toss our chicken wings in this concoction. Cooking. So, where did I put my spray? They make these wonderful liners, y'all, for air fryers. Makes it so good when you don't have to, you know, wash the whole thing every time. It just catches your mucky-do stuff. All right. So we want to make sure those are kind of in a single layer. And then I'm going to spray them because that helps them crisp up. And we're going to cook these for 10 minutes at 200 degrees. And then we're going to come back with another step to finish cooking these yummy little chicken morsels. So y'all remember our honey and our olive oil that we mixed together? at the start of this recipe. All right. So you can see they're not even close to being done. That was just 10 minutes at 200 degrees. Well, now we're fixing to turn it up, sister. We're going to turn up the heat. And you know, Eddie, I think we might want to use a clean liner. What do you think? Yeah. Okay. So we just want to coat this real good. Make sure every piece is coated. And I think, oh, thank you. My Aunt Peggy said the best hot wings she's ever eaten was in my air fryer. And that makes me very happy. These are going to be ever so much good. And it may sound like a lot of trouble, but it's really not. It's just remembering to set your temperature to start off with at one temperature. And then after 10 minutes, we turning up that heat. We're going to start cooking with gas. Oops, look, it fell right where it was supposed to go. Okay. Another quick spray. We're setting our air fryer at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, I believe I said. So don't those look good, y'all? Smells heavenly. Okay. That honey has just done magic on them. Another quick spray. And back in there to finish their suntanning. The final step, y'all, for these fabulous wings. I'm putting them back where they first started in their bowl. But the bowl is clean now. And that was 15 minutes at 400 degrees the last go around. Wow. Okay. Now I have some melted butter. It was melted and then it kind of sat here and got a little hard. And I've got my pepper jelly. And I'm going to mix those two things together and give them a stir. And then I'm going to pour this over our wings, making sure they get a good red pepper bath. Okay. Last step, and then we get to eat, y'all. This is a dozen wings. Wouldn't last but a second here at my house, but it was enough for me to prepare to show y'all a surefire winning way to serve hot wings. Bon appetit, girl. Please, come get you a wing, Teresa. Well, they taste better than they look.
Hey, take one of your flappers.
Take my flapper.
Kind of like you. Ooh, they're hot.
Really? They're hot temperature-wise, but not heat-wise, are they? Aren't they good?
Tailgating, here I come.
You want a wing, Eddie? So good. Happy tailgating, y'all. Loving best dishes. That's the best dish.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.